InvestSMART app. The pros, the cons. InvestSMART is an Australian investment platform focused on low-cost tips and goal-based investing. But how does it stack up? Starting with the pros. First, low fees. InvestSMART offers some of the cheapest IT portfolios in Australia, which can significantly boost long-term returns. Second, goal-based investing. Users can set targets, such as retirement or education savings, and track progress over time. Third, simplicity. The app provides clear portfolio recommendations, making it beginner-friendly. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited customization. You may not be able to handpick every security or adjust allocations in detail. Another drawback is accessibility. While excellent for Australians, international investors may not have access. The surprising truth? Most investors underestimate how fees eat into returns, and InvestSMART's low-cost approach can make a meaningful difference over decades. In conclusion, the pros: low fees, goal-based investing, and simplicity make InvestSMART great for beginner and cost-conscious investors. The cons: limited customization and geographic restrictions mean experienced traders may need more flexible platforms.